Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you come in, please make sure you say hello. And in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. I would love it if you would share this video. Hey, Tony, welcome. So, hey, guys, what's going on? Happy Sunday. I am so excited to be here with you tonight. I kind of said what I was going to do yesterday, but I'm switching it up a little bit because I got a transfer that I had been waiting to use to do something. So as you come in, like I said, make sure you say hello. For those of you that are new, let me tell you a little bit more about what this is. This is called Chalk Couture. Chalk Couture is a revolutionary concept in DIY home decor and crafting. You're not going to find our products anywhere else. We have a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. We have chalkology chalk paste, and we have our couture inks. We do offer several surfaces that you can chalk or paste on or ink on, like chalkboards, boxwood frame. We have canvas pillowcases and in totes, but you can use this on so many other products. Hey Gail, welcome. Like wood, dry erase board, glass, tin, t-shirts, dish towels, and the list can go on and on. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is a DIY home decor ground floor opportunity for just $99. Well, you will get this amazing kit right here for $240, and that is just simply amazing. That is such a great kit. So if you are interested in learning more about that, please reach out to me, as I would love to share that with you. So hey guys, welcome. I'm excited to do this project for you tonight. I have been waiting to do this. You guys actually saw me post a picture of what I'm about to show you about a week ago, and I am absolutely in love with it. So let me get this all set up. Check this out, you guys. Look at this. Ready? Look at this beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to set this stuff off to the side here. This is called a noodle board, you guys. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. These are actually, if you look up noodle board, you'll see that these are meant to kind of like go on your stovetop. Sometimes if you get the right size, you can put them over your sink as well. And what it is it's just kind of like a decor piece or a serving piece, or maybe if you have that small space, it's kind of like extra counter space, if you will. But look how gorgeous this is. My husband made this for me. And if you are local to me, I'm actually offering workshops for this noodle board. I have a couple already booked in March. So again, if you're interested in that, look how gorgeous this is. Don't you love it? It's got the handles on the side. So like I said, you can use it as a beautiful, beautiful extra countertop, extra counter space, piece of decor. I have been wanting one of these for years and years. Actually, I'm going to have one for my home, and then I actually have him making one for our RV as well. Because again, in an RV, you have little counter space. But this is a solid wood, and I stained this in a, this was, if I'm not mistaken, this is an English walnut. So look how gorgeous that is. And then what I'm going to be using, and it's going to be like a really nice farmhouse decor piece. I'm going with a basic chalk, our chalk paste in black. It's going to be a simple one color in this beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This one is called our Vintage Laurel Wreath. So I'm only going to use the big piece right here. But look how gorgeous this is going to be. I can't wait. I'm like so excited. I can't even come to words with what I want to say. So you guys, like I had mentioned in the beginning of the video, all of our transfers are reusable. So on the back, it tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. These transfers, when you clean them up, you use water and a Clorox wipe, and then you let them air dry. Truthfully, like 15, 20 minutes, you let them air dry, and then they are going to go right back on your carrier sheets, and you can use these over and over again. So even though I am using this on this wood surface today, I would be able to use this on a chalkboard, on a whiteboard, on a nice piece of tin, whatever I wanted to create something else. So how cool is that? That's why I love these products. Now this is a new transfer. So the first thing I want to do, and I don't know where I put my marker, there it is I want to make sure I write on the back so that I know which side my transfer goes on after it's dry and clean. Now, I will tell you, like I said, this was stained. I actually stained this. And just so you guys know, I mean, if you have somebody handy or maybe you do your own woodwork, I stained this and then I sanded my edges to give it like that weathered look. I just took a sander, I sand all of my corners, all of my edges, and then I did wax my surface. So anytime I use wood, I wax before I do a design with our transfers. It's just easier on the transfers so that they don't stick, and also it's better for the wood as well. So this is what I use. It is a natural Minwax finishing paste. It goes on clear. I know I've shown you other videos. So you just take it, you rub it on, you wipe off any excess, and then you let it dry. Truthfully, it dries quickly, but this one has been sitting because I have been waiting to get this amazing transfer to do on this board. So now all I'm going to do is take my finger. I'm so excited to do this. Like my stomach is like in a big knot because I love these boards and I've been wanting one for forever. So I'm just going to take my finger and rub it over the side to start my transfer. Please don't pick at your corners. Rub your finger over there. Flip it over. And then you're going to remove the carrier sheet from the transfer. It's just easier to do it that way, you guys. So I'm going to remove that. Now this transfer is brand new. So I am going to fuzz this up. Let me get one of my towels. Now, oh, there it is. Couture did come out with our new microfiber towels. I don't have mine yet, so I'm just going to use one of my towels that I have here to just get this fuzzed up a little bit. There's a piece of my wonderful long hair, which I don't want on my transfer. Gosh darn hair. Sorry, you guys. I know that's really not what you want to hear. Okay, so I'm just fuzzing it up. It just gets a little fuzz on there. And then I'm going to take this and place it where I want it. So I just kind of want to make sure I'm even on both sides. You can measure if you want to. I don't ever measure, which I know isn't right, but I don't. The only thing I want to probably measure is to make sure, like from the bottom and a little bit, and then from the top. I'll be good. I'm happy with it. Hey, Sandy, welcome. So like I said, if you are local to me and you are interested in making one of these noodle boards, I would love to do a class with you. Just make sure you send me a private message and we will get that set up. Like I said, I am already booked through February. Like my February, I know it's halfway over, but my February is totally booked up. So I'm already booking into March, and I think I only have like 3 or 4 dates left to host any workshops. All right, so I think I'm good with that. I feel like I'm even. Let me just make sure. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles in this silkscreen area. Now, you guys, I can tell you this transfer is available right now. This was part of our new spring-summer collection that just launched on February 4th. And this is gorgeous. Like, this would totally be gorgeous on a chalkboard or another piece of wood, not just a noodle board. For any like shabby chic country decor kitchen, I could not wait to do this. Love it. All right. And I am just going to be using, hey Sandy, hey Lorena, welcome. Thanks so much for watching. So I have our black chalk paste. And remember, our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. You want your chalk paste to be like a yogurt sour cream consistency. And this one is kind of thick. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water and stir that up. Like I said, this is going to be a really basic design as far as color goes because I want it to look farmhouse. Because that is the style that I tend to go for in my decor. So I think that looks pretty good. Now I am going to get my squeegee, my angled squeegee, because I need a larger squeegee. No, I'm not going to use the big guy. I think I'm just going to go with this one. And then I'm just going to take, because this is very large, I'm actually going to take it, I'm just going to scoop some of this out and plop it all over. And then any excess I will totally just put back in my jar. No big deal. Okay. So when you are doing this, again, with the chalk paste, you need pressure and you're like scraping it. And when you are using the chalk paste for larger designs, depending on what you're doing, there are different techniques you can do. But since this is all one color, I just need to work quickly, because what you don't want to happen is you don't want the chalk paste to dry in your silk screen. So I'm just going as quick as I can to spread this out, and then I'm scraping off any excess and putting it back in my jar, because there's no sense in wasting this. And I'm only doing it over my silk screen area. And like, sorry you guys, still not 100% feeling that great. Scraping off any excess, putting it right back in my jar, making sure I got everything covered. Okay. Are you ready for this? Oh my gosh, like I am so nervous. It's not even funny. Okay. So I'm going to set this off to the side really quick, and let's do our first peel and reveal. Hey Heather. Hey Phyllis, welcome. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you see how smooth this is peeling off? That's because I have waxed my board. And look how gorgeous that is. Sorry, you guys. I apologize for the coughing. Oh my gosh, do you not love that? I listen, right now, I better see hearts and thumbs up and shares all over the place, because that turned out absolutely gorgeous. Oh, like OMG, like 4 times over. Wow. And I'm just sticking my transfer in my water off to the side. And I will show you guys this really quick, because I always like to see. It's ugly right now, but there's my transfer. I fold my transfer in half with the adhesive side out. And I'm just going to let that sit in there till I'm ready to clean it up when we are done. But you guys, is that not beautiful? That turned out absolutely gorgeous. Babe, can you go behind me and get me my hair dryer? Hey Linda, hey Gail, Tony, welcome ladies. Hi Wendy. Wendy, I am going to seal it, and I will talk about that here shortly. So I'm just going to dry this, because I'm going to add a piece in the center. Oh my gosh, like my heart is like going, dee, 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 dee. Heather, exactly. Chris, you can do this on walls. Hey Crystal, welcome. Hey Gail. Absolutely you can. My heart is like pitter patter. I can't take it. I'm in love right now. Like I think I want to cry. I'm not going to add a color for the bow, Phyllis, because I kind of want to keep it more of like a simple farmhouse decor. Excuse me, you guys. I have to get a drink. So I'm kind of just going to stick with black. So these, you guys, I was so thrilled that they came out with these. Couture came out with a letter font that is a really nice size letter. These are, if I'm not mistaken, they're like a 4-inch. No, I'm sorry. Would help it if you measured it the right way. Yeah, these are like a 4.5 inch letter, which is super awesome. I was so excited when they came out with this. So it comes all individually. Oh, thanks so much. What is it, Chelsea? Thanks so much. Hey, Carrie, welcome. Thanks for watching. So I've already used my letter J before. So as you can see, wrote on the back already. Remember, transfers are all reusable. I'm not going to fuzz this because I don't need to. I absolutely don't need to. And I'm going to stick this right in the center for the name Jones, because I am Jennifer Jones. I just want to make sure I get it right. Oh, you guys, I honest to goodness, I can't catch a break with this cold flu season. I feel like there's something under there. So just smoothing it out so there's no air bubbles. Shalacy, that's right. You told me that before. Hey, Patricia, welcome. You told me. I'm sorry. You did tell me that. I am the worst person. You guys, I apologize. But I'm the worst person with names. I told my husband I shouldn't be doing this because I can't talk for long. All right. So, smoothing that out. Isn't this gorgeous? I could not wait to do this. Oh, look, I got chalk paste all over me. Taking my squeegee, pulling that across my silk screen. Excess is going right back in my jar because I don't want to waste it. And like I said, remember, anytime you're working with the chalk paste, you got to tend to work fast because you do not want it to dry in the silk screen. Never peel corner to corner, either up to down, left to right, top to bottom, and that's it. Look, oh my gosh. Excuse me. I am so in love with this right now. I can't. Like, I have been wanting to do this. I can't find my paper towels. I can't find anything today. That turned out so perfect, exactly how I wanted it. Drying it up. And look at that. What do you guys think? Do you absolutely love this? It turned out so gorgeous. Now, the question is, do I want to seal this? Absolutely. This is not something that I'm going to want to change out my designs. Look, see, I'm messy. Messy, messy. Let me get a Clorox wipe really quick. So, for me to seal this, because I know it's something that is going to be used frequently, I actually got a different type of sealer. And this is a Minwax water-based polyacrylic sealer. It's a clear sealer. Oh, what did you say, Lori? Oh, I ordered something to make one. Oh, Lori, that's exciting. Thank you, Patricia. Thanks, Tony. Oh, Carrie, I can't wait. Make yours and post a picture. But this is the sealer that I'm going to use. I'm obviously not going to do it right now. It is, I don't know, let me see if I can get, it's an aerosol. I know all you guys know what an aerosol is. So I will just take this and I will completely seal this board. And then I will be able to use it. I'm going to keep it on my stovetop upstairs because I'm not going to want to change out this design. But I just wanted you to see how amazingly beautiful our products can work on so many different surfaces, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. And like I said, if you are local to me, I am booking workshops to make these noodle boards. And I'd love to have one with you. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you have any questions whatsoever about our products, please reach out to me. Check out my website at chalkingwithjen.com. If you love the design, like I said, you could create this not just as a noodle board. You can do this on all types of wooden surfaces, chalkboards, dry erase boards, canvases, pillowcases. Oh, this would make a cute pillow with our ink. Oh yeah, definitely. So, love that sealer. See, Phyllis, exactly. Like, that's a great sealer that I'm going to use on top of this. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, reach out to me.